Lab at Home. So today we are going to do a very interesting and fun activity. It's very simple, okay? But again, my request is don't just watch the video, do it. And once you start doing things, your problem solving skill improves, your concepts get better, your communication increases, okay? So start doing things. Okay, so for today's activity, what do you need? Can you come closer? So here we have different materials. So for that you need a straw, okay, a normal straw. Then you can, a dropper is also okay. Okay, we need things which actually we can squeeze and where we can trap air. So this we can squeeze, we can trap. I can't use a plastic test tube because I can't squeeze it. Okay, so I need things which where I can trap air and squeeze. Then I need clay which is easily available. Okay, any color clay is okay. Then to explain the thing, I require a plastic ball, a marble. Okay, that's it, and you are ready for the activity. And what's the activity? It's a mini submarine, but the concept is very good. Okay, let's do it. So as I said, these are the materials for our today's activity. So have a tool, scissor. Careful while using this, but you should get used to using tools. Okay? Then I have clay, straws, plastic ball, a dropper, and then I have water for testing. Okay, and then a bottle where I will perform my final activity. Okay, so let's start doing. So here the concept is about floating and sinking. Okay, so what do you think? Will the marble float in air, water, or will it sink? Let's see. It goes down. Yeah, it sinks. What about the plastic ball? It floats. Yeah. So the density of this plastic ball is less than the water, so this floats. But the marble, the density is more, so that sinks. Okay. Now here also, what I need is this plastic straw. So will the plastic straw float in air, water, or will it sink? It floats. And what about the clay? What about the clay? It sinks. So now using this two combination, I have to make a part which actually just floats in water. Okay, it neither sinks nor floats fully. It's about just sinking, just floating in water. Okay, so what we have to do is first using the scissor, cut it. Okay, it's more of trial and error when you do the activity. Don't worry about what should be the exact size and those. When you start making stuff, you will understand what's the thing and how you have to make. Okay, so cut the straw and then use clay to close the holes of the straw and to add weight onto the straw. Okay, so the idea is I should just float the part in water. Okay, it should not sink but just float in water. Okay, now my combination is there. I'll put it in water. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, it just floats in water. If I add more clay, let's see what happens. See, it sinks. Okay, so if I add more clay, it sinks. I need a thing which just floats, and I'm happy that in the first try itself I got something which just floats. Okay, but here trial and error is required. Okay, you need to add or remove clay to just make the piece float in water, just float. Okay, so this is what we want. You can use different materials as I said. So dropper is also okay. So if you want to see how can I make use of the dropper, so I'll cut the top part, even the ink peeler which is there. Yeah, so this top part I will now use some clay so that it just floats in water. Okay, this is there. Yeah, but this is floating a little bit more. Okay, I can add a little bit clay more so that it just floats. Density of this piece and the water then would be almost same if it just floats in water. Yeah, you can see maybe a little bit more clear. So you can add clay and see that at the end, yeah, the top part also goes inside. Okay, it's done. Now take your bottle, fill this with water. Okay, and let's keep this piece in water in the bottle. Yeah. So now what happens when I squeeze it? You can see it's going down. It's coming up, right? So if I press the bottle, now you can see it's like a submarine. Yeah. Very simple activity. Right? So what's happening is actually when you added the clay to the straw, okay, the density increase, and at this point the density of water and that part is almost same. Okay, when I squeeze it, okay, the water inside can't be compressed, but the air which is trapped in the straw gets compressed, and because of that the density of that part increases and it sinks. Okay, very fun activity. You can try it at home and then you can show this to your friends as magic. Oh, what's happening? Oh, with your eyes actually you are bringing it down, but the thing is in your hands you are squeezing the bottle. You can try. Can you bring it a little closer and show? You can see the dropper being squeezed. Okay, that's how the pressure is acting on the inner part, and the density is reducing and it's coming down. Yeah. And my request is, don't just see the video, do it. If you have any queries, write to us, we'll help you. If you want to do it using any different material, we are there to help you. But do it. Thank you.